I need this video to be as quick as possible, short it could be, and I want to break down this trade that I took on Friday. The idea was this one, the Fibonacci retracement into these levels of 50 and 61, and it did retrace on 61. I measured from the 50% of the Thursday to the high of the Friday, and then I switched to 5 minutes. Switching on 5 minutes, this was looking like this. I waited for the price to make this FVG on 5 minutes, and I waited for the price to retrace back to this FVG, and then come to clear this high of the Friday. It did it on US 500 at around 12, so I cut the profit right here because I was expecting to I got the profit around here, around 12, because I saw this SMT on US 500. It did break this high right here. You see here it did break this high, but on US 100 it didn't break the high, so it was looking as this. It was an SMT right here. When I get rid of this, this is how it was looking here. Here they were SMT right here, to mean the price should be going down. So I saw this, and then I cut the profit right here after this candle, the tracing backward. Yeah, this was the trade. When we take a look to 15 minutes, how it was looking like this, and then I was kind of waiting for the Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Yeah, the thing was looking like this, but it did looks like this. It went to look like this. You see, it already come up with this, and then I waited for the price to retrace back. I was needing the price to retrace back. As I told you, I trade around this window at from 9:30 to 11 right here. When we continue to pray, you will see how it did retrace back, like right here. So I was kind of needing the price to retrace to this 50%, but it didn't really goes right here. So the time was already rushing to my window, so I took the Fibonacci and I put it right here. So I will consider this as retracement for the price to go back, because it won't come back to this price right here, because here it is very far for this window to be entering into this window, so that it could retrace back. So I put my Fibonacci right here, so that the levels I will considering these ones. So I went to 5 minutes, so I could pray. I could see how the price is reacting on my levels. At this stage here, it was making already the SMT, as I showed it right here on trading view. You see how it made this it made this SMT right here. You see this SMT and this one. For the US 500 it already cleared the low, but for the US 100 it didn't clear the low. So I expected the price to be coming backward to the topward, so that the price is going to make some FVG and then retrace back. So after seeing that, I waited for the price to make an FVG. Like here, it already made an FVG right here, so we mark the FVG, so that the price, if the price will come again to this zone of FVG, we will buy. like this. It did right here. You see this candle right here. I saw it moving down right here. So even if you put this Fibonacci from right here to this candle, you see how the price was rejecting these zones right here. So I trusted the price, and I trusted the retracement. So and then I made this. I entered in the trade looking like this. As I told you, I was with my prices, so I took the entry right here at the top of FVG right here. After entering it, so I waited for the price to be going up. Like here, you see how the price went up, like shooting up directly to the top of my TP. After this stop, I realized that after making this move, the price on US 500, it didn't made this it made this and then cleared this high right here, high of the day. And then after realizing that, I cut the profit right here, and this was my trade. As you see, if I replay it, you see how it didn't coming like upward. So as the SMT was in the move, so the price went low, went to the down. So it switched the trend. It was no longer coming up, it was going to be downward. And this was the trade on Friday. As every time I tell you about my strategy, is that I wait for the price to make this to make this move from right here, from to right here, and then I wait for the price to retrace back to the some of my levels, 50 to or 60, and it moved like this. After this, it made the rejection to upward, and then I enter on FVG, and then I wait for the TP right here. This is always the trade that I take, and then it respected like FVG. The thing that I'll be considering is SMT right here, like when when the price comes like right here like this on US 500, when it make this move like right here on US 500, it looks like this, and then on US 100, and it looks like this. This is form of SMT. Or this one could be looking like this, and then on US 500 could be looking like this. So this is shows me like the price is no longer continuing the trend, it is in the reversal mode. So it is going to retrace back to the top of the day. So this is one of the kind of my trades that I took. As I showed you, we took these trades in this week. We were very profitable. Like we did this like in this week, and then all of the trade we took, it were in profit. So I encourage you to do the same, so that we could be profit together. So thank you guys for watching. See you.